Hello my friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Top Lifestyle. Today we talk about most famous Turkish actress Hande Doğandemir biography and lifestyle. I hope you enjoy our video, so please don't skip my video. So let's start the video. Birth name Hande Doğandemir. Nickname Hande. Date of birth 21 November 1985. Present age, she is currently 35 years old. Actress, TV host and sociologist by profession. Birthplace Ankara, Turkey. Turkish by nationality. Height 5 feet 7 inches. Weight 55 kilograms. Eye color dark brown. Hair color dark brown. Body type slim. Ethnicity white. Zodiac sign Sagittarius. Religion Islam. Marital status single. Boyfriend Engin Öztürk. Let's start the hobbies. She is an animal lover. She likes swimming. She likes listening to music. And she likes photography. Let's start the social media facts. She is quite famous on Instagram, 2.5 million followers on Instagram. And network under review. Thanks for watching my video, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share. See you soon for next video. Take care. Bye bye.